Let's see how to convert Microsoft Excel into a Microsoft Word document. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we have an Excel file or a spreadsheet that we want to convert into a Word document. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first one is simply by copying and pasting your data into Microsoft Word. And so what that will look like is something like this. Let's go ahead and copy our data. And as you can see, when we click on paste, we will have different options that will allow us to select our preferred type of pasting the data. Now, as you can see, that only copies the text, and you still have to manually edit this text right here. And whenever you edit text in Microsoft Excel, the data or the changes will not be reflected in your copied text. Now, if you want that to happen, that whenever we edit our data in Microsoft Excel and make it reflect in Microsoft Word, what we can do is click on the Insert tab. Now click on Object, and from here, create from File. Make sure that you have your Excel spreadsheet already saved, and check Link to File. Now go ahead and insert your Excel file or spreadsheet and click on OK. And as you can see, we now have our data directly linked to our Excel spreadsheet. And as you can see, whenever I make changes to this spreadsheet right here, it will automatically be reflected into our Word document. And that is how you can convert Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.